I'm Chef Laura Bonicelli, and I'm here with tip number 8 out of 15 tips to make you a better cook. Tip number 8 is bring foods up to room temperature before cooking. There are several refrigerated foods that, unless otherwise specified, should be brought up to room temperature before cooking, including whole meats and poultry, eggs, butter, and cheese. Meats and poultry. Bringing meat and poultry to room temperature before cooking allows for more even cooking throughout the meat. Also, I find that meat sears better at room temperature. Eggs. When eggs are at room temperature, they're easier to whisk and blend with other ingredients, resulting in a smoother texture. Also, room temperature eggs will cook more evenly than cold eggs. Butter. Softened butter is easier to mix and cream with other ingredients and will also create a lighter and fluffier baked good. Cheese. When cheese is at room temperature, it just tastes better. So remember that bringing meat and poultry up to room temperature should take, depending on the item, between 30 minutes to an hour and not more than 2 hours. At that point, you should cook or refrigerate. We have all sorts of information and tips about handling and cooking food properly in the Cooking Club. Visit BonicelliCookingClub.com, grab some free recipes when you sign up for our email list, and join.